Fresh vegetables, including root vegetables, offer a wide range of health benefits due to their high nutrient content, fibre, and calorie density. In this video, we're going to look at the breakdown of the benefits. 1. Rich in nutrients, minerals, vitamins. Fresh vegetables are excellent sources of essential nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin A, potassium, magnesium and folate. Antioxidants. Many vegetables, including root types like carrots and beets, are rich in antioxidants that help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation. 2. High in dietary fibre helps to support digestive health by the promotion of regular bowel movements. Helps to control blood sugar levels and improves cholesterol. Increases satiety, aiding in weight management. 3. Low in calories, high in volume, great for those looking to manage or reduce weight without feeling deprived, nutritionally speaking. 4. Support heart health. Nutrients like potassium help to regulate blood pressure. Nitrates in vegetables like beets improve blood flow and vascular function, heart function. 5. Excuse me. Number 5. Boosts immune function. Vitamin C and other antioxidants help to strengthen the immune system. 6. Improves skin and eye health. Beta carotene in carrots and sweet potatoes support healthy vision and skin. Number 7. Promotes blood sugar regulation. Root vegetables like sweet potato have a low glycemic index and contain resistant starch, helping moderate blood sugar spikes. Number 8. Seasonal and locally available fresh vegetables, especially when eaten in season, often contain higher nutrient levels and better flavour, or have a better flavour compared to processed and stored ones. Cooking root vegetables, so the techniques. tips and recipes to help you with making sure you are using vegetables to the best of your abilities. Number 1. What are root vegetables? So we're going to go over more topics and in depth here. What are root vegetables? They are the underground parts of plants used as food. Examples are carrots, beetroot or beets, potatoes, parsnip, sweet potatoes, turnips. Why cook with them? This is a key question. They are nutritious, versatile, seasonal, budget friendly. That means not expensive. Anyone can buy them. Slide 2. Types of root vegetables: starchy root vegetables, potatoes, sweet potatoes and cassava for my African friends. Fibrous roots: carrots, parsnips. Bulbs and tubers such as onions and garlic, as well as rutabaga. Images and fun facts for each. Nutritional value: high in fibre. Vitamin A and vitamin C as antioxidants are often found in root vegetables. They are good for digestion, improves immune health, naturally gluten-free. So if you are gluten intolerant, vegetables are very important to add into your diet, especially root vegetables. Slide 4. Cooking methods. Yay, the fun bit, getting down to the nitty gritty. Roasting enhances sweetness and flavour. Be careful not to use too much oil when roasting. Toss in oil, ideally not sunflower. Try and find a healthier option. Season and bake at 200 Celsius 400 Fahrenheit for 30 to 45 minutes when roasting root vegetables. Boiling, ideal for mashed roots, or making soups. Cook in salted water until the fork is tender, just going into the vegetable. Steaming retains better nutrients than boiling, so ideally try to steam compared to boiling if possible please. Use a steamer basket for between 10 and 20 minutes. Sautéing, quick and flavourful, great with aromatics, especially when adding herbs. Mashing and pureeing. Add butter, cream or a plant-based alternative. Tips for success. Cut uniformly for even cooking. Don't overcrowd the pan when roasting or the dish. Add acid, lemon juice or vinegar to brighten earthy flavours, or to help enhance their flavour. Balanced flavours with herbs and spices such as thyme, rosemary, cumin and paprika. Sample recipes. Now we get to the fun bit. Roasted root veggie medley. Sweet potato, mash with garlic and thyme. Carrot and parsnip soup. Beautiful. Beet and goat cheese salad. Beetroot and goat cheese salad. Sustainability and storage. Store in a cool, dark, dry place. Use peels in stocks or compost. Use peels in stocks or compost them. Get rid of them. Root vegetables. Store well to reduce waste and help keep them fresh for longer. In conclusion, root vegetables are healthy, heart healthy and flavourful. Experiment with different combinations and seasonings to get the best type of flavour for you. They make great additions to any meal, especially in the fall. We call it autumn in UK and the winter or cold season where you live. Now, following on, here are the benefits of eating vegetables for both men, women, as well as children. So bear with me whilst we go into this topic a little bit further and more in depth. Eating vegetables offer numerous health benefits, as we all know, for both men, women and children. Excuse me. Whilst the core benefits overlap, certain advantages are especially relevant to each group due to the difference in nutritional needs and health risks. Here's a quick breakdown of the following. General benefits for everyone. Nutrient-rich vegetables are packed with essential vitamins and minerals, antioxidants and fibre. Disease prevention. Vegetables help lower the risk of chronic diseases, acute diseases, such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. Help reduce the risk, not cure. Digestive health. Because vegetables are high in fibre, they support healthy digestion and regular bowel movement. Weight. Overall body weight and weight management. Vegetables, being low in calories and high in fibre, help with satiety and weight control. Immune support. Antioxidants like vitamin C and beta carotene strengthen the immune system. So for men, heart health, cruciferous and leafy green vegetables. Yay! I win on that one. Help reduce blood pressure and improve heart health and heart function. Prostate health. Tomatoes rich in lycopene, broccoli and other vegetables may reduce the risks of prostate cancer in men. Muscle function. Men, listen up. And energy. Magnesium and potassium in the vegetables you consume support muscle contraction and overall energy. For women, bone health. Yes, ladies, listen carefully. Leafy green vegetables such as kale and spinach are rich in calcium and vitamin K, vital for bone strength, hormonal balance for ladies. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and cauliflower can help regulate estrogen. I said can help, not will. Can help regulate estrogen levels and help the metabolism therewith. Pregnancy support. Folic acid, ladies, from vegetables like spinach are essential for fetal development, meaning your baby that is growing in the womb. So ladies, if you are expecting or preparing to have a baby, cruciferous vegetables please, because they also help prevent birth defects. And finally, for children, growth and development. Vegetables provide nutrients like vitamin A for the vision. Clearly, kids need to see well, right? And iron for brain development, as well as vitamin C for immune boosting health properties. Healthy eating habits. Right, I want to all encourage you to have a healthy and sustainable vegetable consumption early in life, or as early as possible, because this will help with long-term healthy eating patterns and help prevent diseases or sicknesses in your body, short, medium and long term. It will help build a strong immune system and lower the risk of childhood obesity. Right guys, if that message was a blessing to you, please don't forget to click like, share and subscribe to my channel, The Movement Guy. I want to take a moment to say thank you very much to all of my subscribers, because without you this channel would not be possible. Thank you very much and have a blessed evening and enjoy your vegetables this season.